And it works, it does wonders. I remember in year one I doing that, and people come, hey, how come you dress up today? Because you're undergrad, right? Nobody dressing shirt, tie, jacket, waistcoat of a funeral boy. Wait, boy, what time? 9 o'clock, but at the same time as the exam. Boy, I know, boy. I mean, Funeralogy. I created that word, right? Well, not me, but the guy who told me. So, when I was in Form 6, my Form 6 teacher, he was a bit older than myself, probably a year or two, young guy. And he came to school one day dressed very formally. And we asked him, his name was Bishan. I said, Bishan, you know what happened? What's going on? Why are you dressed like this? And he said, hey, I have a funeral to go today. He said, hey, a funeral, boy, wow, okay, no condolences. See, generally don't ask too much of questions when somebody says that. But in the afternoon, he was still there, so, sir, I thought you had a funeral. Yes, I have a funeral. Who died? Blah, blah, blah. No, who died? Blah, 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 blah. He doesn't want to answer us. So we pester him because we could do that, right? Sir, you need to tell us, you don't like us no more. So we eventually pester him, and he says, nobody died as yet. There was a funeral, they dress up, nobody died. I said, when is the funeral? 2 o'clock. I had to understand. So he was writing this entrance exam to the next university at 2 o'clock. And it was either his funeral or the exam's funeral. So he dressed up to bury the exam. You need to funeralogy that. That course going to get buried by me. Dress up. Come to UE. Write the exam. Mash it up. And it works, it does wonders. I remember in year one I doing that, and people come, hey, how come you dress up today? Because you're undergrad, right? Nobody dressing shirt, tie, jacket, waistcoat of a funeral boy. Wait, boy, what time? 9 o'clock, but at the same time as the exam. Boy, I know, boy.